cashew factory. They have a lot of cashew trees in this place, Dapoli. So we have just come here for a factory tour. I'll just take you inside. This is the entrance to this cashew factory, cashew nut factory in Dapoli. I'll just go inside the factory. मेरे को लगता है this is the entrance of the factory. Here you have cashew. जाऊ शकता का आतमध्ये इथून व्हिडिओ काढू शकतो ना. This is the cashew factory they have. This is all the machines they have for de-skinning it, I think. It's a small tour to a small cashew factory here. काय करता हो? कटिंग हाँ कटिंग गरम कुठे करता है? ठीक है आतमध्ये This is where they do all the packing and all. यहाँ पे पैकिंग वगैरह होता है. यहाँ पे काजू अलग अलग करते हैं. Sorting it out. यहाँ पे एक सेशन है शायद, पता नहीं यहाँ पे कहाँ है. अलग अलग टाइप के रखे हुए OPS. They have kept different kinds of cashews. This is how is manually sorting it out. This is the oven where they roast it before cracking it. They put the it inside this and they roast it. After that they crack it in these machines here. They put it inside here and they crack the shells. And here everybody sits and then they deskin it. This was the cashew factory in Dapoli. They also have a small restaurant here. It's a nice restaurant with veg and non-veg food. A family restaurant. Here they have some rooms, AC rooms. Here they have a small store where they sell all type of cashews.
This is peri peri flavor.
Pudina, regular, baked, Manchurian,
peri peri,
and peri peri.
and pudina.
Pudina is nice.
पुदीना वाला टेस्ट करो.
Hope you like this small tour of this cashew factory.
चला तर येताना गोलगा रेसिडेन्सी रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये आम्ही आपल्या सेवेसाठी उत्सुक आहोत. कारखान्याच्या प्रांगणातूनच आपण हॉटेलच्या प्रांगणात प्रवेश करू शकता. नमस्कार मंडळी.
Please like, share
भेट दिली आणि आम्हाला आपली सेवा
and
करण्याची
subscribe to my channel.
याबद्दल
Jeeves and Jeeves.
खूप आभार. यापुढे
Take care and have a nice day.
अविस्मरणीय राहू